Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the happy gut foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin muffins with streusel topping with healthy food alternatives. These are super tasty. You'd never know they're gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free too. And I will be sharing my secret sauce for superb flavor. Make sure and watch all the way to the end and go to the comments section to download my Happy Gut Desserts Guide.
Straight out of the oven, these healthy pumpkin muffins taste much like a pumpkin crumb cake. They're super easy to make, and the best part is they support a healthy gut diet plan. So let's start with the crumb topping. First, heat your oven to 375 degrees, and in a small bowl, add a 1/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup fine chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to whisk that together with a fork until it's nice and crumbly. Set that aside, and then let's work on our batter. In a bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour, a 1/2 cup of monk fruit sweetener, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then whisk that together until it's nice and blended. Then let's add a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond or coconut milk, 1 cup of pumpkin puree from a can or fresh, and 4 eggs. Then we're adding our secret sauce, our essential oils, 3 drops cinnamon, 3 drops ginger, 2 drops cloves, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now take our whisk and we're going to stir that together until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to line our muffin pan with 12 cupcake papers and divide the batter evenly amongst them. Next, we will put on that crumb topping. And again, divide that equally amongst those 12s. And then it's ready to bake. Put it in the oven for 18 minutes, and wow, look how wonderful those muffins are. And they are super tasty too. You'll really enjoy them. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.